climb is going to be a bit uncomfortable, so go on the lat restraint and keep feet under shin pads. Don't create the dragon. There's enough of a spider through this dragon all day. Okay, Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing line without wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons required. Explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward. No. Forward. Look, you know which way is forward, right? Oh, no, James, you're hatching. That could have gone way worse. Maybe you were right, bud. Maybe there will never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. God, come on. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah, all right, now, gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields, and prepare to exit the wingway. And watch out for dragons here. They're Vikings now, and an occasional hazard.